Okay, in this video I explain 8 important interview questions on full stack. Based on full stack project, most frequently asked questions in interview, I call 4 and 8 important questions. In first question, what is Node.js and how does it differs from other server side technologies like Apache or PHP? Okay, Node.js is a runtime environment that allows you to execute JavaScript code on the server side. Compared to PHP, Node.js is faster and because Node.js asynchronously nature, and PHP and Apache has the synchronous nature, so Node.js has most faster. This is the main difference from other technologies. Commonly, all the companies choose this Node.js. And next question is, what is callback function in Node.js and why are they commonly used in asynchronous programming? Okay, a callback is a function which is called when a task is completed. Node.js can process a large number of requests without waiting for any function to return the result. So that's why it is a asynchronous nature with a callback function. Many operations are non-blocking and occurs asynchronously, such as file reading, network requests, and database queries. Okay, and next question is, what is the purpose of package.json file in a Node.js project? Can you explain the key properties found in this file? Okay, the package.json file is an essential managing project dependencies, that is running scripts and providing project metadata. It can be easily generated and managed using tools like npm packages are making it a fundamental part of Node.js. Okay, and next question is, explain the difference between query and import statement in Node.js. When and why would you use one over the other? Okay, require and import statements are used to include external modules or files. Okay, require used when we working with a older Node.js code bases. It is a asynchronously module load, that is require is synchronously module loading, and import used when working with a modern JavaScript code. Import is working on asynchronously for model loading. And next question is, what is middleware in the context of Express.js? Can you give an example of how would you use the middleware in Express application? Okay, in the context of Express.js, middleware refers to functions that are executed in the request and response cycles that can process or modify incoming HTTP requests or outgoing responses. It is a middleware allowing you to perform tasks like authentication, logging, data validation, and more. Okay, this is the middleware of context in the Express.js. And next question is, what is RESTful API and how can you create one using Node.js and Express.js? Explain the main HTTP method used in RESTful APIs. Okay, RESTful API means representational state transferred application program interface. It is used for design network application. To create a RESTful API using Node.js and Express is You typically defines routes and uses HTTP methods. HTTP methods for perform CRUD operations, that is creation and read, updation and deletion. HTTP methods are commonly get, post, put and delete. Get is used for retrieve data from the server. Post is used for creating new resources on the server, and put is used for updating existing resources, and delete is used for deleting the resource on the server. And the next question is, what is the purpose of the node package manager, and how do you use it manage dependencies in a Node.js project? Okay, npm is a package manager for Node.js that helps you manage project dependencies, publish packages and run scripts. It allows you to easily install and update libraries and tools required for your Node.js project. To use npm for managing dependencies, you typically create a package.json file in your project directory. List your dependencies in the dependencies or developer dependencies section and run npm install to install them. npm will fetch the required packages and store them in a node modules folder. Okay, next question is, why is it important to hash password in a web application? Hash password. Okay, password hashing is crucial in a web application for security reasons. When users create accounts or log in, their password should not be stored as plain text in the database. Instead, passwords are hashed before storing using cryptographic algorithms like bycrypt, and also one of the npm packages available, that is password hash. This password hash package generates a hash password. This hash password secure the user credentials stored in the database. Okay, these are the questions important for the interviews that based on the full stack project. Okay, thank you.